Hi everybody. So now I'm going to show you how to install Python, Pycharm, DB 3 for creating a Django product. Okay. So these three things I'm going to install right now, and after that we will be creating a Django project. Okay. So I'm going to start. So first go to the python.org. From there, you need to download the Python latest version you can download, or go to the previous versions or releases. Go to the all releases, you can download anything. 2.7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, you can download anything. Okay. So now I'm going to download the latest version 3.11.1. I'm going to download and install this. Okay, right. So see here. So I'm going to download and start installing. Next one, Pycharm. So Pycharm also I'm going to download. So just type Pycharm in the Google search. So you can find this. So it belongs to the JetBrains company. You can download from here. Just click on that download button. So you can able to find two different versions. Professional community will be downloading the community version. Professional will be paid version. Okay. So and also next we are going to download the DB Escalate 3. DB Escalate 3. You can directly type like this, DB Escalate. Okay. So you can able to find the website like this. So this is the DB browser for Escalate 3. You need to click on that. So go to the downloads. So if your machine is 32-bit or 64-bit, please check that. So I hope everybody knows how to check that. So just click on the any folder, open this PC, right click on this PC. You can able to see the properties. Here you can find the 32-bit or 64-bit. Whether your processor belongs to 32-bit or 64-bit, you can able to see here. Okay, mine is 64-bit. You can able to see here system type. Okay, you can able to find here system type processor 64-bit. Okay, so I need to select the 64-bit. So go to the 64-bit SQLite 3 browser, not the chip. So 64-bit DB SQLite 3 browser I'm going to download. I will show you how to install all of them. Okay, so next is Pycharm. Pycharm is also installed. Pycharm is going to be installed. Okay, yeah, it is finished actually. Able to see here. And Python also downloaded. Okay, three things I'm going to show you how to install. So first one, Python 3.11.1 I'm going to install. And after finishing this, so compulsory we need to click on add path, add a python.exe to the path. Okay, so compulsory you need to click on that and go to the installation. Install now. Just click on install. Okay, so likewise, so you can install the 3.11.1. I will show you after installation where you can find this Python version. And after that, DB Escalate 3. See here, after finishing this, we'll install the DB Escalate 3. These three things are necessary to create a Django project. Okay, so we'll be creating a Django project. So not in the community version, Pycharm community, we'll be creating Django version at the command prompt, and we'll be importing that Django project inside the community version, and we'll be working on that. Okay, right, I'm going to show you that. Yeah, compulsory we need to have an internet connection. Without that, we cannot do anything. So you can install any version. I'm having all the versions of the Python. You can able to see here. Python 3.7, 8. So 8 I am missing. 9 and 11. 10 is also missing. So 11 just now we are installing, isn't it? So 3.9, 7 and 7, 9 and 11 are in my laptop. Okay. Okay, you can able to see this. So rest of the interpreters you can download 7, 8, and 11. So 7, I'm missing 8. You can download 8, 9, and 10 also missing. Okay, you can have all of them at one time. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. You can have all of them. Yeah, successfully it is installed Python. So this is the way you need to install the Python. Okay, so yeah, you can able to see here Python is installed. You can able to see here. If you want, you can put in the taskbar ideally, and Python you can put here on your taskbar. It's your wish. Okay. So next I'm going to install the DB Escalate 3. That will be the easiest part. So just double click on that icon, go to the next, click on, you need to accept the license agreement and click on next and click on, you need to just select the SQLite, not the Sapphire, SQL Sapphire. Okay. So just we will be using this, no need of this SQL Sapphire. Okay. We don't use that. Next and install. That's it. It will ask for the permission. You need to install that. So it is installed successfully. So I don't put here as an icon. I will put it as a taskbar. So right click on that. I will be putting it as a taskbar. I don't put icons on this. Okay. So you can put if you want, you can put. Okay. I am removing from here. Okay. So I successfully installed Python and DB Escalate 3. Next, I'm going to install Pycharm. Okay. So if you are having these three things, three are free softwares, isn't it? Free softwares, you can download it from the Google. Okay, you can search from the Google and you can download it. Okay, the Pycharm, click on S, double click on the icon, click on X, and next. You can click on just next, and you need to enable all these things. Okay, so for this add path, you need to add path. Okay, add bin folder to this path, restart needed. So no need of that. Without that also it will work. Okay, just click on this. It is going to be installed. You can see the icon here. I'm going to remove this and put it here. 11 also I'm going to put here. So we are ready with the softwares. Okay, it's going to be installed, and we are going to create a Django project. How to create a Django project? See here, these are the steps. How to create a Django project? Go to the command prompt. Okay, from here, so I'll be going to the desktop, CD OneDrive. So, so in some laptops or systems, you may not be finding OneDrive, but I'm having the OneDrive. So otherwise, you can just type CD desktop. Okay. So CD desktop, on my desktop, I'm going to create a folder. I'm going to create a folder for that mkdir. So demo. So otherwise Django project. Okay. So this is the folder name, and I'm going to enter into that particular folder name. You can able to see that Django project is created. And in this, I'm going to install the pip install virtual env environment. So it will take time. Yeah, meanwhile, you can able to see the installation of the Pycharm. Okay, so it is going to be installed at the background. Okay, it is going to be downloaded. So you can able to see requirement already satisfied. So already I have got so many times I have done this virtual environment in my laptop. So that is the reason it is going to be showing like that. Otherwise, for you people, if you are doing first time, successfully installed, it will show. Okay. So I'm going to create virtual environment with the name. So in this folder, if you see, nothing will be there. Is virtually present in this particular folder, virtual environment. I'm going to create a virtual environment with the name virtual. So you can put any name. Okay, virtual demo is the name of the virtual demo. Is the name of that particular virtual environment. So see here, I want to manually reboot. Okay, I can do that. Finish. Just click on finish. Pycharm is installed. So all the softwares are ready with me. So now I can use these softwares. Okay. So Pycharm also I'm putting on my taskbar. Okay. So all these things I put it inside in my taskbar. Okay, I can use it. So all the softwares are ready. Now I'm going to create a Django project. You can be able to see this. So it is successfully installed. You can able to see the Django project. So virtual demo is the folder it is created, and here you can find the lib scripts and all the things, site packages. All the packages will be resided in the site packages as we discussed earlier, and scripts also. Scripts also, all the action files, applications and Windows batch files and all everything, it will be here in the scripts. Okay. So I'm going to show you. So from here, so just go into the virtual demo. So from there, so I'm going to show here virtual demo. We are here inside. Okay, you can able to see this here inside. So virtual demo in this. So we need to go into the scripts folder. So I need to activate the virtual demo. So you can able to see that virtual demo is activated. Okay. If you click on deactivate, it will be same. So if you click on activate, it will be activated. Okay, again. Okay, now I'm coming out of the scripts. Why? Because it is a user defined. We are going to create a project as a user defined, okay, isn't it? So I'm going to create the project here in this place. Okay, so lib scripts, and I'm going to create a project here. So if I create in the scripts folder, it will be the mixture of all the things. Okay, not the predefined standard library files and predefined, and ours is user defined, isn't it? Project. So we need to create a project here. So I come out of that particular scripts folder. So I'm here right now. Okay. So I'm here right now. Okay. In this place, virtual demo. So here I'm going to create a Django project. Okay. So see here. So how to create? So before that, we need to just install the Django as a package. Will take a little bit time. So you can able to see the dependencies. So SQL parse contains a DB SQLite3 database. That is the default database for Django. So these are called dependencies, py, tz. Okay. So SQL parse and ASGI reference Django, these are all the dependencies. So for understanding purpose, supporting packages. So without those packages, Django will not work. Okay. So those are called dependencies. Okay. You can able to see that. So now I'm going to create a Django project, Django /admin start project. Name of the project is demo. So Django project, isn't it? So Django demo project. Okay, I can write like this. Okay, that is the name of the project. It is created, and inside the project, I'm going inside the project. Okay, I'm going to show you that inside the project. So with the same name, the other folder will be created. You can see other with the same name project folder will be created here. Modules are also created. So this is a hassle of the work. Django, we have gone through the definition, and the hassle of the work means, so 80% of the work will be done by the Django itself. So only 20% application part we need to do. Okay, so I'm going inside the folder. I'm already inside the folder. Here I'm going to create a app. Okay, so we'll be having different apps. So we'll be having different apps for the Django. Okay, so we'll be having different apps for the project. So project contains n number of apps. Okay, but here we'll be having only if it contains only one app, so that will be the project. Okay, that will be called as a project. Okay, so it contains, if number of apps are huge, so automatically it will be the bigger project. Okay, so that will be there. Okay, so I'm going to create a project. Okay, app, sorry for that. I'm going to create an app. For that, we need to just click on start application. Okay, so Django demo project, isn't it? That is the name of the project. Okay, this is an app, isn't it? So I'll be creating as so I'll be making it as a app demo. హలో వస్తున్నానమ్మా ఒక 5-10 minutes లో వస్తాను ఓకేనా అమ్మా ఓకే ఓకే రైట్ ఓకే 10 minutes లో వస్తా ఓకే అమ్మా బాయ్ so so we can create a number of apps. So depending upon the apps, okay, I will show you here. So this is the app. Okay. So in the virtual demo, you can find the project. Inside the project, you can find the app. So there are m number of apps. Any number of apps we can create. Okay. So so in the app itself, I'm not going inside the app. I'm just going to put this command python manage.py run server. Okay. So run server. If you run the server, we are running the Django server using Python language with the help of manage.py module. Okay. So you can able to see the this is the local host. Okay. Local host and the port number is 8000. So default browser, whatever you will be using the default browser, there it will open. Okay. So I'm going to close all these things. Okay, 127.0.0.1, you can able to see that this is the Django product. We have successfully created the Django project. Okay, so I'm going to close this. Even I'm going to open in the Pycharm, isn't it? So this is successfully created. Only get. Okay, so we are sending the request, isn't it? Get. We are sending the request. We did not get any response from the server. So it is not present in the online server, web server, isn't it? Only present in the laptop. Okay, so this project is always existing in the laptop, isn't it? Only get we will be getting. Okay, so if it is coming response from the web server or Django server, so we'll be getting the post. We can able to see that. Okay, so I'm going to close this. Okay, why? Because we just created a project. Okay, so this is the project we created. I'm going to open this project inside with the help of Pycharm. Okay, so double click on the Pycharm, or otherwise we can do otherwise we can just open the folder. You can just open the folder like this. So this is the project. So we must not open the folder. So we must not open the folder. So this folder won't be useful. Open that. You can open this Pycharm and right click on this and open with the Pycharm folder. This is the way of doing this. So I have just installed the Pycharm, isn't it? So I need to do some settings. Just click on that. You are already installing the Pycharm. So first time when you install the Pycharm, you will be getting this. So do not import settings. You need to click on that and click on OK. Will open. Okay. My latest, I'm having the latest version in my laptop. I will show you that Pycharm latest version. So the latest version is on, okay, I will show you that Pycharm. Okay, first time when you open the Pycharm, you will be getting the chance like, it will be the settings you need to do, new project or open a project. So I'll be doing the customize. I will be clicking on customize. You can change the settings. Okay. So instead of Dracula is the black color, IntelliJ light, I need to select and synchronize with the OS. I'll be doing the font also. I'm going to increase so that it will be bigger. Okay. So, and go to the projects again. I can use the open. Okay. So first time. So now it is ready. So I'm going to show you the Pycharm. So that this is the latest version, isn't it? So I will show you the date, 28th December 2022. Okay. System requirements also you can able to see here. So these are the system requirements. 64-bit version Microsoft 11, 10 and 8, 2 GB free RAM. Okay. You can able to see all these things. These things must be satisfied. Okay. Don't satisfy these things. It won't be, Pycharm won't install in your laptop or PC. Okay, so you need to be aware of that. Okay, so I'm going to close this. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to open the Pycharm in so this project. So don't open directly like this. Right click on this folder. So just click on this, double click on this folder, open even virtual demo also you need to open. You need to open here from Pycharm. Open Pycharm as folder. And also I'm going to simultaneously, I'm going to open the DBS client. So double click on this. First time it will ask like this. Click on trust. Okay. Trust project. First time it will ask. So when you open the new project, it will ask like this. Okay. Now the project is open. You can able to see here. Okay. So apps will be at the top alphabetical order. It will be. So you can able to see the project name. If it is in the sleeping mode, it will be seen like this. Okay. Just click on this. It will be awaken. Okay. So now it is so it is now open. Okay. You can see the apps here already. Already modules are created automatically. So DB SQLite 3 is the database default, and for the configuration, I am going to put the configuration as, I will be changing that as interpreter. From here, we will be selecting the interpreter, latest interpreter. We can put anything, whatever you want interpreter. So just it will take time to do that. Okay, I'm going to change it as 3.11 file. Yeah, here you can able to see the DB SQLite 3 database here. Always download. Just click on this file. Go to the settings. There you can find the project. In the project, at the project, click on interpreter. So now you can select any interpreter you want. Show all. I'm clicking on show all plus button. Why? Because we have installed the new thing, isn't it? So I can select any interpreter from here, 11, 7 or 9. I'm selecting 11. I can do anything. I can select anything. Inherit site packages, global site packages. Click on OK. So automatically virtual environment will be created. Click on OK after creating that. Okay, we have created a project actually. We have created a project at the command prompt Django project, and we are importing that Django project inside the Pycharm community. Okay, we cannot create it directly in the Pycharm community Django project. Okay, so this is how it will be. Terminal I'm going to activate for running the whole project. We'll be activating the terminal. To run the individual module, you will be activating the console. Okay, terminal I'm going to open. First time it will ask for the permission firewall. Okay, Windows Defender firewall, it will access allow access. Okay, we need to click on that. Otherwise, it will be blocked. We cannot see the output. Okay, so just click on allow access. Terminal we can able to see as well as console also. Okay, so you can able to see that show all. Now I am going to use the terminal. From the terminal, okay, so all the things are updating here. It will take a little bit time. From the terminal, how to run the project. Okay, I will show you that. So click on the terminal, it will open. So just click on Python. So Python manage.py run server. Okay, if you click on that, so server Django server will be running. So that is offline. So project is inside the laptop, isn't it? So that is offline. So PS here, the PS stands for Python shell here. Okay, the PS stands for Python shell. It is going to be running the project. Okay, so first time now, so it will take little time. It will be seen like this. You have 15 unapplied migrations. So that means if I click on that, it will open in the default browser. You can able to see my default browser is Chrome. You can able to see that will open in the default browser. It will be coming like a link like this. Okay, the server error occurred. Okay, no problem. Sometimes it will come. Yeah, still the interpreter is not working. Still these background tasks are running now, so that is the problem. So yeah, meanwhile I will show you the database. Okay, so right click on the database. So right click on the database, click on copy path reference. Click on absolute path. Go to the DB SQLite database, open. So it is already opened. I want to close this. So just click on the DB SQLite database, double click on this icon, it will open. And go to the open database, paste the path, what we have copied from the absolute path, open. So you can able to see the tables. So all will be the 0, 0, 0, 0. Why? Because we did not integrate with the, we did not migrate. Okay, so it will take time. So these are all upgrading. It will take time, little bit time. Okay, so updating indices, Python interpreter and Python interpreter updating, all these things are updating. It will take a little bit time. Okay, meanwhile, I will close and open it again. We can do that. Okay, we can do that. So Control C or Control Z, we can use anything. Okay, I do one thing. I'm closing it again and open it again. I'm exit. Just click on exit. So I'm minimizing this database. Again, I'm going to open. Okay, virtual demo. From the virtual demo, open this. Right click on this. Open folder with Pycharm edition community project. Okay, so it will open like this. So for any updates are there, it will be faster right now. Yeah, last project will be opened. So if you open the Pycharm again, so now you can able to see that even now also updates are going on. So you can able to see the tips. So if you want tips, don't want to show the tips, don't show tips on the startup. You can click on this, it won't show again. So otherwise, just go through the tips. Next also you can type if you want. Next tip also you can see and close if you want to close. Okay. So now right now I'm going to type the command python manage.py run server. Okay. If you click on that, it will be opening. Still packages are updating. Background task is going on. So just click on this. Will open in the default browser. Okay. So we are getting server error. So still we are getting that. So maybe we can use other interpreter already existing. Okay. Settings. Go to the settings. Go to the settings. There you can select this and interpreter. So you can select the interpreter whatever you want. Show all. I'm going to select the interpreter. 3.7. I'm going to select the interpreter. Here it. Okay. 3.9 also I'm going to select. Any interpreter you can select. Okay. So it is going to be updated. Yeah, it is going to be updated. Okay, you can see here. And meanwhile, I'm going to open this. So we'll be typing the command migrate. So migrate stands for so Python manage.py migrate will do two things. Okay, will establish the connection between the business logic and the. Okay, you can see the tables are creating here. Okay. That means all tables are created. So it will create all the tables. So first thing is it will create all the tables and make the establish connection between the business logic and the database. Okay. So now tables are created. Again, I'm going to see the path. Right click on the DB escalate 3, copy path reference, copy absolute path, and go to the DB escalate 3 and open database. Otherwise, I can refresh. Okay. Just put the path and click on open. You can click on open. Copy path reference, absolute path. Go to the DB SQLite 3, open database, paste the path and open. You can able to see the tables. Okay. In the previous thing, 0 tables, 0 entities, everything are 0. Now the tables are created. So that means Django project. So tables are created with the migrate command, and it is established the connection between the business logic and the database. 3 things will be there, isn't it? So we can able to see that. So this is how the project will be connected to this particular database. Okay. Business logic. This is the business logic. Now we will create a front end part. So using the, I will show you the projects which you will create with the front end part. All the things I will explain. So this is how we will be doing the Django project, and we established the connection between the DB SQLite 3 with the business logic. This is how we will be doing. Okay. I'm going to close this. Okay. So thank you very much. I'll be continuing this video. So how to do the front end part, all the things, HTML, CSS, all those things I will be doing that. So it may take a little time to create a video. But until now, what I have done, you can, I think you are aware of this. Okay. You can able to see the tables, everything. Browse data. In the browse data, you can able to see the tables. These are all the tables. Okay. So Django default tables, but user defined, we did not create it, any app or tables, isn't it? We will do that in the next class. Okay. Next session. Thank you very much. Take care. See you again. Bye. Take care.